This is how we work in the winter. We set up 2x4s and canopies, and we're gonna veneer this with brick. We're gonna cover this up with rock board. We're gonna then veneer it with brick and put on some bluestone caps. So it's all enclosed. Second day, we got the sides up, tops on, sealed up, and put the heat on, and it's warm in here, super warm. We're cleaning this top part off, make it nice with the bluestone caps, and then today we're gonna chisel off these outcroppings all the way around, and then we're gonna apply rock board to it. So it'll be nice and smooth. The rock board's about 1/2 inch, so it'll come right up to here, and it'll be a smooth distinction next to it. Down here, it's a lot cooler. It's like definitely, oh, there's a draft right there. That's why. So we got this tarped off here, all plastic. Keep the wind out. Keep the heat in. And this is a real nice feature to have this sawhorse here above their plants, so we can work right in here. We take this little fence out, but these posts are frozen into the ground, so that's not gonna work. Okay, I'll pick it up in the next stage when this next stage is done. So we've got a lot going on here today. This is Wednesday, and the third day of installation. So we started brick on Monday, got a lot done, a lot of the brick on yesterday. It rained yesterday afternoon, so we got a little wet in here. We put some new poly on top of the shelter. There's just a couple drips, so we got this mortared in, waiting for that to cure and set up. So Spencer's having lunch, and we'll come back and tuck point that. We'll tool it out, a little wooden tool. And then I'm working on the bluestone caps. And you can tell it's a lot warmer and everything's melting. So it's still cold and damp. So we're drying things out with the torches. And here's got some mud. Set some mud down before I put the bluestone on top. And then when Spencer's done eating lunch, I'll come and start filling in these mortar joints. This corner is in. We're missing a total of 12 corners, 2 here, 2 over there, and another one, and then some on the back. So those are coming in hopefully Friday, so we can finish up. So we got the caps on and the mortar filled in the joints. This is yesterday. Finished this. This is just starting Thursday. This is thin brick veneer. We are almost done. As you can see, the containment tent has been removed. We did that yesterday. It was above freezing, and it is above freezing now, and it will be all week. And we just have a few more things to do. A few more corners. So we ran out of corners, so we did everything we could. We just acid washed everything, a combination of water and acid. a 1 to 1/4. So if there's 1 gallon of water, it's a 1/4 of a gallon, which is I think 4 cups in a gallon, 8 cups in a gallon.
There's quite a lot of cups in a gallon.
So anyway, that's the muriatic acid, and this is what it's looking like. The corners here. We did our 45-degree angle, 1/2 inch, and all the way along here we have the bluestone. So there's a bunch of little pieces on the bottom there that are in there. I'll show you. We had to put these in yesterday, so that like that we had to continue that on and finish that out. And that corner there is going to get some corners on it too. So that's what we like doing here. It's nice to have some work in the winter. It's spring now, so we started this job 2 weeks ago, and it just takes a lot longer when you're dealing with the tent and leaking and snow. There was a bunch of snow, a couple of big snowstorms while we were working on it. So we're wrapping it up today. Cut, edit. So thanks for watching this video, and if you want some thin veneer, either brick or stone, on your fireplace or your exterior of your home, call us at Natural Stone Masonry for a free quote. Just to let you know, approximately this job was about $6,000. It's a little over 6 with the bluestone caps.